Are your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max front camera 1:1 photos looking pixelated or blurry? Here's why. The iPhone's camera system prioritizes efficiency for social media formats like 1:1. In this mode, the camera crops the full 12 megapixel sensor output, effectively using fewer pixels, around 9 meg. Furthermore, some computational photography enhancements are bypassed to maintain speed. This can result in lower perceived resolution and sharpness, especially when zooming in. Apple prioritizes efficiency for social media use, sacrificing some image quality in the default 1:1 settings. Good news! Apple has addressed this issue with a fix in iOS 18.2. To improve 1:1 photo quality, manually enable high-resolution mode. Go to Settings, Camera, Formats, and toggle on the high-resolution option. Alternatively, use third-party camera apps like Halide for manual control. Enabling HDR or portrait mode can also enhance quality, but it increases processing time. While this improves the situation, remember that using this mode will increase battery usage. Keep an eye out for future iOS updates, as Apple may integrate automatic quality adjustments for all aspect ratios in the future.